Samsung officially announced the Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G at the August Unpacked event held on 10th August. The 2022 foldable beast is the successor of the previous year's Galaxy Z Fold 3, which set record sales as soon as it launched. The tech giant also unveiled the cute foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, alongside the chunky Z Fold 4 at the event. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 houses a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X interior display and a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen as a cover display. It packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1 chipset for unmatched performance. Talking to upgrades, the 4th generation Samsung Foldable saw a massive camera boost over its predecessor. In this roundup, we have covered some of the best fast chargers for Galaxy Z Fold 4 that you can buy to efficiently charge the Samsung Foldable flagship in 2022. Since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 falls under the category of PPS certified device, it is recommended to use a PPS charger to experience super fast charging. For those unaware, Programmable Power Supply (PPS) is a standard that refers to the advanced charging technology of all USB-C devices. In layman's terms, this technology delivers maximum power output based on the device's charging status by modifying voltage and current in real time. Apart from charging the compatible smartphones, all the chargers included in our list are fully compatible with almost every brand that ships USB-C and USB-A devices or gadgets. Furthermore, since most consumer electronics are going USB-C, so these chargers will come in handy more often. Buying a next-gen phone and still using an old charger? Now that's a chargeable crime, all jokes aside. If you own different USB-C and USB-A devices alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Anker 735 GaNPrime is the right charger for you. This charger itself comes in a rectangular shape, topped with textured corners for better grip. Plus, the foldable prongs will make it easier for travelers or globetrotters to carry this first Galaxy Z Fold 4 charger in their pockets anywhere. In comparison, this foldable fast PPS charger for Galaxy Z Fold 4 is 50% smaller than the MacBook Pro 67-watt power brick. Not only its foldable design, but also the inclusion of 3 different ports and charging efficiency makes it stand out above the Spigen ArcStation. The triple port design is handy for users who carry a lot of gear, say a different work phone, tablet, notebook, power bank, and earbuds. Thanks to the dynamic power distribution, the device with the lowest battery gets the maximum power to charge it faster than other connected devices. Plus, the Active Shield 2.0 technology incorporated in this fast charger for Galaxy Z Fold 4 intelligently monitors the temperature to ensure the safety of connected device. In addition, you will get a 24-month after-sales warranty with this Galaxy Z Fold 4 charger. Honestly speaking, there is nothing wrong except the omission of a soft LED charging indicator. Imagine searching your phone outlet in low light, quite a task, right? In short, the Anker 735 65-watt charger for Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a superb option for those who juggle different devices daily. However, Anker could have possibly sliced the price a bit, though. Make sure to look out for that during the holiday session.